Hi guys, this is Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to make an effective advertising campaign using the Adline platform. So I've logged in. On the left hand side, I'm going to click on campaign. I'm going to create a campaign, and first thing I need to do is to confirm that I'm not going to be doing any shady advertising. I give my campaign a name, and immediately I'm directed into the settings for the campaign that I'm going to be creating. I'll come back to this because first we need to start with adding some ads. So immediately we have a selection of different ads that we can choose from. I'm going to start with the banner set. So this gives me 14 different templates or banners of all different sizes. And the banner set is connected to Google's network of websites. So there's thousands and thousands of websites there, and these adverts will be displayed where your service or your product is most relevant. So I click create, and this will redirect me to the Creative Studio. So as you can see here on the right hand side, I have all of my banners, and I just need to choose a template. There we go, green touch. I can add a button, for example. Let's try a sign up. Of course, I can click into that and change the text if needs be. I can change the color. I like green, so I'm going to stick with this. All I need to do now is press save, give it a name, call it banner test, and this needs to go to the relevant website. I click save, and what will happen now is I will be redirected to the settings page or the main page for my campaign. So now in my campaign I have 14 different adverts in the banner set. One of the best things with Adline is that you can have several different adverts from different channels in the same campaign. So click on ads. This time I'm going to choose a Facebook and Instagram ad. Again, I'm redirected to the Creative Studio. First thing I need to do is to choose an image. I can either upload my own image, or there is a library with images here. So I can start by clicking, and this just needs to be adjusted slightly to fit our ad. Go to the form, and now I need to add some text. So I'm going to make it very simple. I'm just going to be writing in test, and again I need a landing page. Once I have this, then I can click save, give my ad a name, a landing page, and I click save. So of course I've done this very quickly to show you how it's done, but what you'll see now is that within my campaign I have a banner set with 14 different ads and a Facebook and Instagram advert all in the same campaign, and it's taken me almost no time to do. Now what we recommend doing is A/B testing, which essentially includes having more than one ad in Facebook where we test the types of picture or the description, the text that is used, because this way we're able to show you which pictures or which types of text work best for your product or service. So I'll come in here, I'm going to get rid of this picture, I'm going to add a different picture. So we can add this, and the text I'm going to leave exactly the same. I'm just changing the image now. I click save. So now in my campaign, I have my banner set, 2 Facebook and Instagram ads with different images. But I also want to test the text. So what I need to do here is to duplicate this one, and I need to duplicate this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to change the text. The machine learning in AdLine will show us whether it's the text that is attracting customers, or if it's the picture, or if it's a mix of both. Okay, now I have a campaign with 4 different ads for Facebook and Instagram, testing the picture and the text and my banner set. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with some Google ads. So we can start here. I'm going to make a Google ad now, and we need to add some headlines. If you're writing in English, you can start all the headlines with capital letters. So become visible online, for example. You can have create great ads. Facebook and Google. And then we add a description. Create ads quickly and easily. We can add some call outs. This can be something, for example, like advertising. Create ads. So I've added 2 call outs, but we recommend to add at least 5. What I'm going to do now is some site link extensions. So what I do is I put in, for example, advertising, AdLine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to also add some site link extensions. So we're going to try advertising, and we can do AdLine, add some descriptions, create ads today, save, close. And for the site link callouts, you can have 4 maximum. I press save now. Give my ad a name, destination link, save. And here we have it. We have a campaign, we have a Google advert, we have Facebook and Instagram, and we have a banner set. And now I've just shown you some of the adverts, but you can have as many adverts as you want in the different channels that we deliver in this same campaign. Now we have to choose the location. We're based in Oslo, Norway, but actually I want to target London in the UK. I have my daily budget. I'm going to up that to 200 crowns per day. Connect to my Facebook. The age, I can either select the age if I know that I have a select target age, or I can let the machine learning do the work for me. And that goes the same for gender and device. Keywords, I'm interested in putting in all the keywords for advertising. And what we have here on the right is the most searched for words in Google and Facebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose all of them. If there's anything that is not relevant for me, then I can just simply go and delete it here. And there we have it. I've made a campaign using the AdLine platform. All that's left for me to do now is to click Start Campaign, and AdLine will push this out across the different channels. And what's more, every 4 hours, AdLine will be moving your budget across the different channels to ensure that each of these adverts are getting the right amount of investment. Taking away money from adverts that are costing you money because nobody's seeing them, and giving that money to the adverts that are performing the best. Save your time, save your money, and in the long term, let's make some money.